Purihin, purihin ang ating Panginoon. Isang mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Our healing message for tonight is taken from the Gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ according to Mark chapter 5, verses 24 to 34. So Jesus went with him. A large crowd followed and pressed around him. And a woman was there who had been subject to bleeding for 12 years. She had suffered a great deal under care of many doctors and had spent all she had. Yet instead of getting better, she grew worse. When she heard about Jesus, she came up behind him in the crowd and touched his cloak, because she thought, if I just touch his clothes, I will be healed. Immediately her bleeding stopped, and she felt in her body that she was freed from her suffering. At once Jesus realized that power had gone out from him. He turned around in the crowd and asked, "Who touched my clothes?" "You see the people crowding against you," his disciples answered. "And yet you can ask, 'Who touched you?'" But Jesus kept looking around to see who had done it. Then the woman, knowing what had happened to her, came and fell at his feet, trembling with fear. Told him the whole truth. He said to her, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." Sumama naman si Jesus at sinundan siya ng napakaraming taong nagsisiksikan. Ano pat halos maipit na siya. May isang babae roon na 12 taon nang dinudugo at lubhang nahihirapan. Marami ng manggagamot ang tumingin sa kanya at naubos na sa kapapagamot ang kanyang ari-arian. Ngunit hindi siya napabuti kahit kaunti, kaya't nakipagsiksikan siya hanggang sa makalapit sa likuran ni Jesus. At hinipo niya ang damit nito, sapagkat sinabi niya sa sarili, "Mahipo ko lang ang kanyang damit ay gagaling na ako." Biglang bumaling siya sa mga tao at nagtanong, "Sino ang humipo sa akin?" Sumagot ang kanyang mga alagad, "Nakikita po ninyong nagsisiksikan ang napakaraming tao. Bakit itinatanong ninyo kung sino ang humipo sa inyo?" Subalit, patuloy na luminga-linga si Jesus. Hinahanap niya ang humipo sa kanya. Palibhasa'y alam ng babae ang nangyari. Siya'y nanginginig sa takot na lumapit kay Jesus. Nagpatira pa at ipinagtapat ang buong katotohanan. Sinabi sa kanya ni Jesus, "Anak, pinagaling ka ng iyong pananalig sa akin. Umuwi ka na't ipanatag mo ang iyong kalooban. Lubusan ka ng magaling sa iyong karamdaman." Ito ang mabuting balita ng ating kaligtasan. Ang pamilya muna.